Hi everyone, here we've got a ULEFONE Note 8P and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and now let's tap on the sound. Here we have to scroll down, tap on advanced, and as you can see here we've got, let's say, the ringtone section. We've got 3 options which are connected to them. We can change the phone ringtone, which is simply an incoming call. We've got also the notification sound and alarm sound. Let me show you how to change it using the phone ringtone. For example, let's tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping we've been transferred to the list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very bottom of the list we've got add ringtone option, so after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files, and if you will have any compatible ones, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here. You will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. What's more, at the very top of the list you've got the option none, so after choosing it your device won't notify you about any incoming call. So if you would like to listen how the particular ringtone sound, all you have to do is simply tap on it and you will be able to listen to it. Let me volume it up a little bit, and as you can hear, probably you can check the ringtone. So if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about a new incoming call. Obviously it will work the same with the notification and alarm sounds. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.